Just a preview of our Member Cloud, the files inside. You have bonus patterns. I can go through all of these, but there's just so much here. I'm not going to really go through them all. But if you're a member, you have access to all these patterns, and you know it's there quite a bit. Including the Christmas pattern. I got the full Christmas book in here. That's 50 something patterns. The full book file, and amongst so many other patterns. The membership fee of $2.99 a month it's almost ridiculous when you think about it. It's so cheap, but I am big on sharing, and that's what I do, and more so I do it because I share. That's what I do, but I also appreciate you folks, the members, supporting my channel. So that's a really biggest part of it all, and this the least I can do is share. I love seeing the work you guys, the pieces you make from it. You really can't put your finger on that feeling, how it feels. So I really do appreciate seeing what you've made. And again, members, I just want to say thank you again for your support. And I just uploaded the crosses today. I did all my kids in crosses that kind of represent them. So these are all PDFs. If inside the PDF, you could easily find the JPEGs to print, or you could actually print these right on from the cloud. You can click on it and use the print feature right on the cloud. So hope you enjoy them. I'll be adding more patterns, and again, the link to the patterns will change. To protect the directory. I don't want. It shouldn't be shared. It's for the members only. And if you share the link to somebody, they can easily get in. It's a form of stealing. I don't know. I wish folks would be honest, but it's not the case. And so I changed the link to the cloud. You will get that notification in the members only post area with the new cloud link, which I'll be changing shortly. Thanks for watching, and again, I thank you so much for being a part of my YouTube channel, and your support means the world to me. Thank you.